You go and check that case. Case is there at A5, I think A5 or A6. I'm not sure. A5, I think yeah. C, it went to collect enrollment information. Understood, it actually didn't went to send email. It went to collect in for enrollment. It has selected yes by default. You can see the actions there. Actions and audit. You can see audit history. View history there. You can see how, this time, the case has performed. It is advancing the flow, but it didn't trigger the email. There is no rejection flow here. There is no rejection. Okay. There is no SLA on this assignment, right? So this case will stay like this. This case will get a state in the system for how many years you want, that many years. It will stay. No, if you suppose no one has processed on this case will stay open, only it will. It is not resolved. Okay. You understand it. The SLA is how to configure the SLA. If you want to make it to a different path, you have to set that in data. Transform the conditions like, whatever the conditions that is making true. You have to set those conditions in data transform. The main thing is goal deadline and how actually SLA is working based on that agent and what SLA can do. SLA, the time on process based. You suppose the timeline was expired. Okay, the action based on a business requirement, the action they will tell you. If suppose this time was done. You have to notify manager, then you have to select that action. We have the action. So many actions are there on SLA rule. Go through the action. Go to the SLA rule. Go to the Designer Studio. You can see Open SLA Rule Task SLA. You can click on Select Action. So you can give an action will goal is reached also. Okay, not only for deadline, but goal also. You can select an action. Yeah, you can select an action. Click on Select Action. There are so many SLAs here. So many actions here. You can notify manager. You can notify the assignee only. You can run the activity. Whatever you want, you can do. Okay, this action will be defined by business. Business will tell you, I want this particular action here, so that you can configure that action. Yeah, understood the SLA, the goal time, deadline time, how to configure SLA, where to refer the SLA. The SLAs can be referred on assignment shape, flow level or case type level.